Kim, and today I'm going to teach you about solving set of equations. Finding a solution for the set of equation means finding the correct value for each of the variables that can be a solution to both equations. There are two methods, the elimination and substitution. I have provided here with examples for each method. First, let's take a look at the two equations, minus x minus 7y equals 14 and minus 4x minus 14y equals 28. I will use the elimination method to find the solution for the set of equations. The elimination method basically is getting rid of one of the variables so that only one variable is left, which allows to find the value for the remaining variable. To get rid of one variable, you will need to make either of the variable's coefficients' absolute value same, and then either add the two equations if the sign of number for the coefficient is different, or subtract the two equations if the sign of number is the same. In this case, I have multiplied 2 in order to get the absolute value of the coefficient same as minus 14. And since the sign of number is both negative, I would have to subtract these two equations, which I got 2x equals 0 as a result, and therefore x equals 0. Now this x value should be substituted into either of the two original equations, and I have chose the first one. I've done this because the first equation has smaller numbers compared to the second one. And after the substitution is done, I've gotten minus 7y equals 14, and I've divided this by minus 7 and got y equals minus 2. Therefore, the solution to this set of equations is x equals 0 and y equals minus 2. Now I'll talk about substitution with the next set of equations. This is 2x plus y equals 20 and 6x minus 5y equals 12. The substitution method starts by isolating a variable for one of the equations, making the equation look as x equals something or y equals something. I chose the first equation and isolated y because it can simply isolate y by subtracting 2x on both sides. And as a result, I got y equals 20 minus 2x. Then this will be substituted for y for the second equation. And therefore, the second equation turns into an equation with just one variable. And that will be 6x minus 100 plus 10x equals 12. Then I got 16x equals 112, and therefore x is 7. Now, since the x value is determined, this should be substituted into the equation y equals 20 minus 2x. When I substitute 7 for x in this equation, it is y equals 20 minus 14, and thus I will get y equals 6. Therefore, the solution for this set of equation is x equals 7 and y equals 6. And if this is written in coordinate pair, it is 7, 6.